Well, hello, friends. Welcome back to Commute Talk. Today, I thought I would talk a little bit about the Serenity Code of Conduct because I recently wrote this little contribution guidelines document for the project, mostly because I wanted to write down what people should and shouldn't do in their commit messages and stuff. But I ended up adding also like a little section at the bottom with a code of conduct because those things are so trendy nowadays, so I figured we should cash in on that trend. Now, the Serenity Code of Conduct is a little bit different than the typical codes of conduct that you see out there. It's very, very short, and it goes like this. That you will be judged by your contributions first and your sense of humor second. And nobody owes you anything. That's the whole thing. So, let me break that down, I guess. So, judging by your contributions means that this is a meritocratic project. I'm a firm believer in meritocracy. I think it is what you do that makes you who you are. It's not what you say or what you look like or what you smell like or whatever. It's what you do. I don't care about any of the other stuff, and do your thing, but you will be judged by your contribution, whether that's code, bug reports, documentation, testing, community management, anything that goes into an open source project. That's what you will be judged by. Nothing else matters, except, of course, the second part, which is your sense of humor second. So you'll be judged by your sense of humor second. I am also a firm believer in having fun, and I really feel that fun and humor is how we actually bridge the gap between cultural divides and national divides and all kinds of divides, really. Because if we can have fun together, then it doesn't matter what our differences are. Fun can bring us together anyway. So it is a hard requirement that you are able to laugh at yourself and when you mess up, and together with your friend when he messes up. Because we gotta have fun, man. If you're not having fun, then you're having the other thing, and that's not good. It's definitely something that you will be judged by in the Serenity project. And then the final part is that nobody owes you anything. And I guess that's really like how I feel when I read these other codes of conduct that exist, that they're like this weird list of things that you owe the project and the project owes you, and I don't know, it's all weird. Nobody owes you anything, and nobody is going to bend just because you say bend. Nobody's going to think anything differently just because you tell them to. If you want to argue about something, then make your case and try to convince someone with arguments, sure, but you can't go around telling people what to do and not do, what to think and not think, and expect anything to happen. So that's in the rules here. Because it's a live and let live space. So meritocracy, humor, live and let live. That's how we roll in Serenity. So I guess that's basically it. So I just wanted to talk about it a little bit, since I was kind of happy with how it turned out. Other than that, I'm just going to say thanks for hanging out with me on the commute, and I'll see you next time. Bye.